Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use 1 pound of salmon for 2 servings. Start with skin-on fillets trimmed of bones and patted dry. This helps achieve crispy skin. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, plus 1 teaspoon lemon zest if desired. Pat dry and let rest 10 minutes at room temperature so the seasoning adheres and the fish cooks evenly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and set a heavy skillet on the stove while you prepare a simple lemon and herb garnish. Heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium-high heat until shimmering. Non-stick or cast iron works well. Place the fillet skin side down and press gently to maintain contact, then sear skin side down 3-5 minutes without moving to crisp the skin. Flip carefully and transfer the skillet to the preheated 400 degrees F oven. Finish in 400 degrees F oven for 6-8 minutes until an instant read thermometer reads 125 degrees F for medium rare, or 1. Rest cooked salmon 5 minutes before serving to allow juices to redistribute and avoid dryness. Serve with a lemon wedge and 1 tablespoon olive oil drizzle, or top with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and a pinch of flaky salt. For a faster variation, substitute 2 tablespoons soy sauce plus 1 teaspoon honey for a glaze and broil 1 minute. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 3 days, or freeze portions for up to 1 month, and thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.